Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope all are fine. I am Munmun Nahar, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College.
Today's my topics is e-service and Bangladesh and e-commerce and Bangladesh. Learning outcomes. You will learn from today's lessons. First, what is e-service? Second, advantage and disadvantage of e-service. Third, use of e-service. Fourth, what is e-commerce? Fifth, benefit of e-commerce. And sixth, importance of e-commerce in Bangladesh. Now, let's see what is e-service. E-service, short form, electronic service. Internet is the main channel for e-service. Providing service through electronic system is called e-service. E-service ensure availability of services at low cost in the shortest possible time without much hassle. Service sector in Bangladesh. E-service has already been introduced to several ministries, departments and directorates of the government of Bangladesh. The digital edition of textbooks, e-settlement records, e-permit, e-ticket, telemedicine, e-tin registration and income tax calculation, etc. are the example of e-services. E-permit. It is one of the primary e-service of the country. The sugarcane farmers of 15 sugar mills of the country get a permit through the message option of the cell phone. E-permit is the official permission of the Sugar Mills Authority for the farmers to supply sugar canes in a fixed time. The harassment of the farmers has come to an end as they service the information of supplying sugar canes through SMS. The production of the sugar mills has also been increased for timely supply for sugar canes. Now important notes for e-permit. First, e-permit has been launched since 2009. Second, the first trial e-permit was issued in November 2009 at Mubarakganj and Faridpur sugar mills. Third, in December 2010, e-permit was launched simultaneously in total of 15 government sugar mills in the country. This is the important notes for MCQ. E-settlement records. The duplicate of land settlement records can be collected through this service. Previously, employees of land settlement department would supply the information to the applicant from big record books after filling up the prescribed forms. The applicant had to be present physically in the office and the employees of the concerned department would prepare it manually. Because of this service, applicants at home and abroad can receive the settlement records paying the required fees. An estimated 18 lakh digital settlement reports have been issued since 2010. Now let's see what is e-healthcare. Mobile phone from anywhere in the country without going directly to the doctor. Taking a doctor advice is called e-healthcare. Physician is government health centers give device on mobile phones. That's why government hospitals have been provided with mobile phones. Any citizen of the country can get the device of any physician. Besides, in some hospitals, telemedicine service has been introduced. Because of the telemedical service, patient in Upazila, many avail the service and advice of medical specialists in district hospitals on mobile phones. E-ticketing is the booking of mobile or online train tickets or plane tickets at home without going to the station. In this case, if you take a ticket, you have to collect the ticket sometimes before the trip. Tickets of some intercity trains can be collected either through mobile phone or online. As a result, travelers can purchase the ticket at the convenience without going to the ticket counters of the railway station. They can reach the station just before the departure of the train and collect the printed ticket from a particular counter. Now let's see a video. I hope you enjoy the video. Now let's try to answer the question. Foodpanda video so that the staff can deliver the ordered food from door to door. How are Foodpanda doing business, or how are they taking orders? Ordering online. What kind of business Foodpanda is? Electronic business, e-business or e-commerce? E-commerce and Bangladesh. Now let's see what is e-commerce. Business that use electronic media are known as e-commerce. Electronic commerce is the full form of e-commerce. Now let's see advantage of e-commerce. The great advantage of e-commerce is the age of internet is to collect product at home. And any seller can open this shop with pictures and videos his products on their internet. For this, he has to open website. The buyers, after choosing his commodity, pay the price and get it. The buyers have the facilities to pay the price through debit card and credit cards. They can pay through mobile banking even. Cash on delivery COD is the price paid the buyer after receiving the product. In this case, the product seller ordered online deliver the product to the buyer's house. E-commerce has been gradually extending in Bangladesh since 2011 to 12. Now everything including books, garments, food, luxuries, goods, etc. is being sold or bought through e-commerce. You have to already watch advertisement of some website on the internet, television and in the newspaper. I hope you understand these topics. Students, thanks for watching this video. So, no more today. Allah Hafiz.